Going on YouTube? My name is Ayush and welcome back to my YouTube channel The Indian Dev. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel The Indian Dev, then please go ahead and subscribe to The Indian Dev, and you guys can follow me on Instagram where I upload the technical posts and the technical content on the daily basis. So yes, you guys can follow me on Instagram, and in this video we're gonna talk about the Instagram bots. So basically Instagram is a social media platform where we can share the basically images or some pictures or some videos. So it's a very good platform to share your content, or maybe you are a photographer, maybe you are a content creator, so you can share everything there on the Instagram. And the audience there is a very like in a large amount. So in this video we're gonna talk about creating or basically coding the Instagram bots with using the JavaScript. So for that I'm gonna go to my Instagram account, and here you can see in the suggestions field Instagram is suggesting some profiles. I can see here some profiles which are like related to my work or related to my interest. So basically an algorithm works at the Instagram that basically defines or find out some of the users that are you can see here this user is new to Instagram, this is followed by some of my followers, and something or some profiles are suggested by the Instagram. So basically I can go and follow all of them one by one. So instead of following them one by one, I can create a bot. Like I'm going to here to the console, so I'm clearing out the console. So on my GitHub account I have like uh, committed my code for the Instagram bots. So bots are basically the scripts which are automating our work. This is the following bot. Like if I need to follow some of the Instagram users, then I can go here in the console. Like you can simply right click on the browser and go to the inspect element option. In that inspect element option you can go to console and just paste that code that I have copied from my GitHub account. So the link for that particular GitHub repository is in the description, so you can check out that repository. So in this script what I'm doing is I'm listing out all the follow buttons from this page, and like clicking on each of the follow button one by one with the time difference. So here I'm taking a count. So basically Instagram manages, or basically Instagram view your thoughts on the following process. Like if you are a new, if you are having a new profile to the Instagram, then your following amount should not be that high. If you are doing that, like if I write here 300 followers at the time, then Instagram may block your account, or basically Instagram may block your activities on Instagram. So I'm taking 30 as a count for following. So let's see how this script gonna work. It's gonna follow all of them or not. So I'm hitting the, or like pressing the enter button on the console. So this is the interval ID. So you can see guys, boom. So my bot is working absolutely fine. Like it's following each of them with the difference of 1000 milliseconds. So in the network you can see like Instagram follow is going on. So yeah, it's pretty simple and like pretty amazing to follow the people. What I do is just like manually follow these people so that they can follow me back, in order to have a good following at my Instagram page. So what I do is like just run this script in the browser's console, and that's it. I've done with the following 30 users, or 30 basically Instagram accounts. So in this code I have set it up the count to 30. You can set it to 300, but it depends how old your account or how old user you are for the Instagram. So yeah, or you can increase the interval time so that Instagram will not block you. So yeah, that was amazing, an Instagram following bot. So if you need the code for that bot, you can go to my GitHub repository, Instagram bot JavaScript, and you can just copy this code and paste in your console, and that's it. So this was all about the Instagram following bot, and you guys can follow me on Instagram as well. So you can look here, my Instagram followers and following, the following is increased by 30 as I have run this script. So yeah, that was amazing. If you have liked this videos, like this video or the content, or if this video was helpful to you, then please like this video and let me know in comments that what other bots we can create with JavaScript. Like I have another script for unfollowing that we will discuss, or we will see in the next video, like unfollow script. So yes, thank you for watching this video guys. Thank you very much.